My daughter Alyssa was only 14 years old, and I feel for me that Alyssa lives inside of me. I'm Alyssa's voice right now, and Alyssa would want me to continue to be making change and also keeping her memory alive. And I know that Alyssa's looking down and was like, "Yes, yes, mom, that's great, that's impactful." Continue to keep her legacy.
Mhm.
And through Alyssa's law, the panic button law that we've now passed in 5 states, it's continued to keep Alyssa's legacy alive. I'm here, well, I guess to say, like, I don't know why this happened. I can't say, and I can't say why Alyssa. There was over 3,000 students that day at Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School, and Alyssa was one of 17. But I'm gonna continue to be optimistic, and I'm gonna continue to fight for change, and I'm gonna continue to be Alyssa's voice because I have to do it. I owe it to Alyssa,
Mhm.
and I believe Alyssa would want me to keep going.